you guys know I'm a collage-based artist, mixed media. I use collage, drawing, and painting, all that to create my collages. What this workshop is really about is, just exploring your own idea of what you want to do.
It's an exercise in thinking aloud. It's an exercise in thinking through your hands.
I think it's just another way to have a conversation through images.
For me, coming here and doing this workshop, Southside Santa Fe is great. Right now, it's good to kind of see all this energy that's being produced. Everybody's looking and cutting. I love that.
Anytime you're talking about race, they're complicated, paradoxical, painful propositions. So I just wanted to find some way to think about that and to think about what it looks like.
Recently, the governor of Florida talked about the bright side or the useful things that came out of slavery and, thought about it as a generative phenomenon. And I don't think that there's anything generative about taking someone's agency.
So I think sometimes collage can be a vehicle to kind of get these types of things across. Not everybody wants to talk about politics or sexuality or, any type, one of those hotbed issues. Some people just like to do flowers. Some people just like to do, cows in the field. I think it's up to the artists how they want to couch their argument in contemporary art.
I feel like I was just trying to convey beauty. It kind of seems like it's a project for exploring, playing. There's not really a right or wrong way to do this. We're just collaging.
I just feel lucky that I have the opportunity. And when I was a little girl in North Carolina cotton fields, I didn't even know what art was.
We're so excited to have the first art show at the new Teen Center. This is the culmination of a couple months of work.
Since I started teaching in Santa Fe Public Schools, I've been collaborating with Site. It's super important for me to get my students out into the community and see the resources that Santa Fe has.
It was a really great project while you guys were at Site and thinking about the symbolism that Deborah Roberts was including in her artwork, and then how you guys incorporated that into the collages that you all made.
My piece is about how I love soccer and how much I like it.
This thing is about the things I like dogs, cars, moon. I'm excited for the fine things in my life and find beauty in things as small as a puppy and large as the moon.
Kind of feels like special because a lot of people don't get to do this. It represents people and from where they're from or what they are.
I think that's what I told them I love about it, because it's multimedia. You can do almost anything with it. I think it's a lot of pressure, especially for artists of color, to talk about the issues of identity. I want to talk about these issues today. I think it's very important to talk about it. And sometimes we see things and don't say anything. And I want my work to say something.